Hey guys, we're back. So I promised you that we would do another kind of snowflake. You don't need lunch bags, you don't need anything specific. Scissors, a pencil, and possibly a dinner plate or something that's a circle. And the bigger snowflake you want to make, the bigger the circle has to be. So, and you need big paper too. So think about the size of your paper and your circle. So obviously I'm in the art room, I'm using a palette. I could probably go bigger, but this is what I've got. The bigger you make your snowflake, the easier it's going to be. All right, so go find you a circle, a piece of paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. And we'll see you in a minute. So I'm gonna take my piece of paper and I'm gonna put my circle on it. And I'm going to trace around the entire circle, holding it very still. And I have a circle. This is going to turn into our snowflake. What do you think we do after we trace our circle? That's right, we're gonna cut it out, right? We're gonna cut along that line. Now, if you're not a good cutter and you get a little wobbly flobbly, it's not the end of the universe. You all have heard me say that before. So we're gonna cut out this circle. And I'm telling you, once you learn to do this, you will chop up everything. All right, we got a good old circle. So now we're gonna do some folding. Listen to me carefully, because if you fold this wrong, it's not gonna work. So take it, fold your circle into a taco. All right, we've got one taco. Crease that puppy really, really good. That's gonna help you in the end. Once you have your taco, we're gonna fold this taco in halfy poo so it looks like a quesadilla. See our quesadilla there? We've got it in half. Now this is where the math problem gets hard. We've got to fold our quesadilla into an ice cream cone. Some of you think that this might be in half, right? This is not in half. That looks crazy. You got to use this point, this tip, and it's got to be looking like an ice cream cone. See that tip? So now it looks like an ice cream cone, and smash it down. You really need to smash, right? Now we have our ice cream cone. If you want to go one more time and do a cotton candy cone, you can, but I'm going to stop at ice cream cone, right? So everybody fold your paper into an ice cream cone just like that. If you need to rewind the video and watch me do it again, you can, because it is very important that this is how you fold. Right, we're going to start the cutting. So we're going to start up at the top. Right, I'm going to flip him over. Remember, in the lunch bag, if you watch the lunch bag snowflakes, if you have a hard time cutting, you're not the best cutter, stick to triangles. They're the easiest things to cut out. If you want to get adventurous, you can try other shapes, right? All right, you can do long triangles, skinny triangles, fat triangles, small triangles. All right, so I've cut out the top. Can you see that? All right, now if you notice, I didn't go really far down. I stuck close to the top edge. So now we're going to do the sides. Now it's very important when you're doing the sides to leave a space in between each one that you cut. So I'm going to, here's my triangle that I cut. I'm going to stay away from him. I can even try and cut out, ooh, a heart, right? And then I'm going to do a little baby one down here. Be careful not to cut your fingers while you do this. So once I do one side, I'm going to flip to the other side, and I'm going to keep this one simple, right? I'm just going to draw or cut bunches and bunches of triangles. But what am I doing, guys? I'm leaving a space in between each triangle. If I don't do that, you're gonna cut your snowflake totally apart, right? And then when I get down to the bottom, now if you want a hole in the middle of your snowflake, just cut the tip off, right? So you've got this one, I did this one, looks totally different, right? So once you have that, let's open them up. We've got a big old mess here. So let's see what happens when we, all right, so this part you have to be super, super delicate. You're gonna open them up. And the reason why you wanna be delicate is because we've chopped this paper up. Look, and we have this really cool snowflake. Look, and I cut out half a heart, and what did I make? A whole heart, right? Let's see what the other one looks like. This one's copy paper, this one's art paper, so that one's a little stiffer. Copy paper is gonna be thinner. Oh, look at that. So depending upon the size of your paper is the size of your snowflake, right? If you make a really, really big dinner plate, you're gonna make a much bigger snowflake. If you make it really small, like a cup, you're gonna have tiny snowflakes. You could make a bunch of these and hang these all over your bedroom, so it looks like it's snowing. And by the way, Mom and Dad, it's gonna look like it's snowing in your kitchen or your living room with all these little scraps, so get ready for it. All right, have fun making snowflakes, and we'll talk later. Bye.